Hey guys, in today's video I'm just going to quickly discuss how you can check your current version of Python. Usually with your future Python projects you're going to want to have Python 3 because they're sunsetting or doing end of life for Python 2. So essentially you're just downloading or going to download the most recent version of Python. So if you're using a Mac, you're going to be able to have like Python already pre-installed with your laptop, but it's usually Python 2.7, I believe, and you can just check the Python version by using the Mac's terminal. So the same thing with like Windows. I don't think it comes pre-installed, but you can check it after you install it using this command. So after you have it installed, Python dash dash version. So for Macs, it'll be able to automatically work like this. So you'll either have version 2.7 or some version up in 3.8 or 3.7. So if you have 2.7, you're going to want to update it to the most recent one, so either 3.7 or 3.8. So this is how you would do it. And then just a little quick reference for Windows users. If you want to actually install Python, you just go to the python.org site, like we see right here, and you just go to Downloads, and you can just download the most recent Python just clicking on this button. But for these series of videos, I'm going to recommend for everybody to install Anaconda. The reasons you would want to install Anaconda is because you can use it for data science. The Python version is already updated automatically to, I believe, 3.7, and like with Anaconda, you can have built-in support for creating virtual environments, and this is something that you could be using for a lot of your programming projects, where you can create like these kind of separate sandboxes, so you don't have issues between your projects, because when you're programming on different projects, you might need different versions of your library. So in order to just install Anaconda, just go to anaconda.com. You go to the home page and get to the necessary download using individual edition. And basically, you just have to download it. So click on the download button. It goes down here, and depending on your OS, whether it be Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, just click on the Python 3.7 version. So if you're Windows, click on this. If you're Mac, click on this. If you're Linux, click on that. And it's going to basically prompt you to go through the installation window. You're going to basically click on Continue Next for each one of those. And you know it's successfully installed because when you reach your version of the terminal. So for Mac, it's going to be this terminal, which you can find on Launchpad, going to Other, and then clicking on the terminal icon here. Or you can get to there by using this little magnifying glass and then typing in terminal. And additionally, if you just want a quick keyboard shortcut, just hit Command Spacebar and then click on terminal, and that'll open up too. So anyways, when you're here and you have successfully installed Anaconda and the updated Python version, you should notice that your terminal has changed from essentially whatever your username is for the laptop to the same thing, but now includes parentheses surrounded by the keyword base. So that's how you know Anaconda has been successfully installed, and Anaconda is going to not only update your version of Python to the 3.7, but also be very useful for future data science projects and any projects that you're going to need to use virtual environments. So yeah, this is basically just how you install everything. With python.org, that Python installation is the same thing. You just go through the graphical user interface installer, make sure that you include it there. But for the most part, it's a relatively simple installation process, and the reason I recommend Anaconda and downloading that is not only do you get the Python upgrade or update to the language from your base Python 2.7 version to 3, but you also get the ability in future projects to set up your own virtual environments, and then also just with those virtual environments create some pretty interesting data science projects. So an Anaconda downloaded in this situation makes sense, but again, quick little overview for this, and I hope this helps. Thanks, guys.